Hey everyone, hey NailTubers. So here we are joined again with Love by Verdie Nails. This is a Mayflower's nail design collab, and from what I can tell so far, all the ladies' videos are a must-see. This is my second collab hosted by Verdie, and I am very happy to work with her. She's a great host and her groups are always pleasant. Now in this video this time I didn't go over what I used as I was called to work when I started editing. I am a first responder and duty comes first. I hope I can insert some captions as I review it before posting, but if not, at least I can give you some glimpses of the set as it's created. I chose this color because it was one of two from my Model 1's fashion color set that I hadn't created anything for. Then I noticed it matched the McCart jelly almost to the exact. It's bold, it's loud and challenging, right? But I started thinking how to neutralize it and give it a feminine and dainty look. Here I go in with a little bit of that unicorn powder. I just love it because it has so many different hues in it. But on this orange, it actually turns out to look a little gold. Perfect. The flowers I chose to do are something that I've always wanted to try. I love the look of them. I think these are lilies, so here I go. Let me know in the comments how you think they turned out. It took just a little bit to get used to the consistency in the acrylic, but I like the way they look. I wanted to add different touches when it came to the flowers, so I decided to add some by stamping. One large flower here to match the smaller ones, and a little bit of hand-painted swirls will bring the whole design together. I was going for kind of a layered petal look when I did this large flower. It didn't quite come out the way I hoped, but I still liked the way it turned out. Although I became pressed for some time towards the end, I still really enjoyed doing this set. I think the colors look really beautiful together. It definitely has that summer vibe, that summer feel, doesn't it? I have to say, this set came out even better than I imagined. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but realistically, orange is a very blatant color, so I was a little intimidated, but I love the way this looks. Don't forget to check out my first video with Love by Verdie Nails. Her first collab that I joined was the Ombre Pastels collection. There'll be a link in the description box as well as the end of this video. And most of all, please don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos, because I'm telling you, they got some awesome stuff. That information will also be in the description box. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Oh, and leave me a comment. Remember, let me know how you think I did on those flowers. It was my first time, and I like the way they came out. I think they are so cute. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I have so many more things coming up very soon. I am so glad that you came here today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.